Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Ver2 Toys channel. Another new drop from Qube Carz Mini GT. 6 new variants. This is actually the first time non-Liberty Walk cars are out. So I've been looking forward to this batch, honestly speaking. So let's get straight to it. I do have the ER34, the S15, the VeilSide RX7, TRD Supra, the 911 Classic Porsche, and the super modern Revuelto. Okay, let's get straight to it. So, Qube car number 10. Okay, another Liberty Walk car. Okay, so it does have license from Nissan and I believe from Liberty Walk as well. Okay, in this classic red and black. So this is actually the second color for this casting for Qube car, and this is at this moment, as far as I know, this is the most popular variant because everyone coming in will be looking for this. So this is the one that's currently, at the time of recording, this is actually sold out at Qube. Okay, while the rest is still available. Porsche is sold out as well. Alright, this is really very cute. Check out those diffusers. The shrink down diffusers, the big and small tires in the front and back. It looks like it's gonna go very fast, right? The headlamps are printed. So there's not much individual parts on these cars compared to the Mini GT ones, but it does feel really good in your palm. It feels solid. Okay, and we do get this is a plastic base, and the body is die-cast. Right, no interior, but it's super cute. So yeah, I got ahead of myself. I want to show you the packaging. Sorry, I didn't show you this sticker yet. Yes, so this time around it came with this sticker, Qube Carz. This is really very cute. I do quite like this touch that they do it together. Okay, so that's the ER34. It pays direct homage to the legendary 1980s the Tomica racing livery. All right, and next we go to the S15, Nissan Silvia S15 LB Super Silhouette Fausto Racing number 555. This Qube Carz number 14. Okay, I will put the product name in the description below. Another Liberty Walk car. Show you the sticker. Very cute. And it's in this very shiny blue chrome. Look at that. This is the original Fausto Racing number 555 livery, with the Mini GT branding all over the car actually. Look at that, Liberty Walk lip on Yokohama tires. Very nice. The Japan and Brazil flags on the roof, just like the real car. Look at that rear. This is super cute. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is the first Liberty Walk S15, right? I don't think they have done S15 yet. Have they? Oh yes, they did. They did the presentation version, the yellow lightning. That would be the first edition. They have also done the pink white auto finesse version. So this is actually, I believe, the third variant. Second variant for the ER34. Third variant for the S15. All right, plastic base. Okay, and they're able to roll very nicely. Yeah, just remember that. Is this stretch tires? No, it's not stretch tires. Okay. Oh, there is a fun fact about something about all the cars. I'll tell you guys right at the end, and I'll show you guys the base at the end. Okay, I'll show it to you guys. Oh, another one. I want to point out the diffuser. This is super cute. Super aggressive, super cute. Okay, that's a S15. Then we move on to the Toyota TRD, Toyota Racing Department 3000 GT in white. This is a brand new casting. Okay, licensed by Toyota as well. Very cool. So this is number 15. This would be, yeah, for my channel here, this will be the first non-Liberty Walk Qube Carz. Look at that. Love how they shrink it down. This is really very cute. Check out the taillights. They're printed. The huge bumper. in its original form, the rear bumper is already really very big, very thick. Now when it's tuned like that, it's even bigger. That is, it looks really very funny. Rims, very cool, very nice set of rims. Okay, I do quite like that they have done this detail on the hood as well. Very TRD Supra, plastic base. Okay, and that big wing at the back. This is actually very cool. This big Supra wing, the TRD wing. Super cute. Alright, this was a street legal tribute to Toyota's JG-TC race car. Yes, complete with the fall vent hood. Show you guys the sticker that it came with. Really very cute. Alright, then we have the VeilSide RX-7. Here we go, that's the sticker. This is the packaging. Mazda RX-7 VeilSide Fortune 7 in red. I believe they have not done this color yet in Mini GT size. Okay, this is number 13. So here we go. Have you seen the recent episode for Mini GT drop? It came out with a green. That neon green looks beautiful. Now this metallic red looks pretty cool as well. Okay, we usually see this in orange and black, but it looks absolutely stunning in this shiny red. Oh, look at that. Do you guys know the body kit actually added almost 1 foot in width from the stock RX-7 body? That's how wide it is. We're gonna have the VeilSide branding on the front. Headlamps printed quite nicely, pretty decent. I like that shiny rims, but yeah, if it's deeper dish, I think that would look even better, right? That looks pretty good. Very cute, very cute. Yeah, I wasn't collecting these. If you guys watched my previous episode, I wasn't collecting these, but they are really kind of growing on me right now. Next, the QubeCarz number 12. This is the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.6 in black and red. Licensed by Porsche. Okay, cool. Then I'll show you guys the sticker. So cute. A new shape of fun, reimagined by Mini GT. Here we go. This is the 1970s lightweight legend. So introduced the world to the iconic ducktail spoiler. Look at that. It's so cute. And you have to check out the red Fuchs wheels. This is so cool. I love the rims on this thing. How they managed to shrink it down and made it work. This is so cool. Look at that. In this very iconic black, the Porsche emblem. Headlamps are printed. Indicator lights are printed as well. Okay. The threaded tires. This is pretty crazy. Wet tires. Wet weather tires. Exhaust detail. This one comes underneath from the middle. Look at that. This is super cute. Very dark though. I'm looking forward to see the other colors. Plastic base. Oh, so far they're all plastic base. Okay, even for the Supra, even for the RX-7. If I haven't shown you guys already, it has the muffler detail too. Pretty cool. Next, we'll move to the Revuelto. This is the Lamborghini Revuelto Ver2 Toys. This is number 11. Okay, Qube Carz number 11. And I'll show you guys the sticker. Okay, in this very nice green. And ta-da! Yep, we managed to pull a chase out of a silk carton. So the key difference will be the window, the rims, okay, and there's a sticker. 1 of 500 pieces only. So cute. So cute. Okay, that's the chase version. We have this regular version out of the box. Look at that V12 engine at the back. Oh, this is so cool. That this paint is really very nicely done. The V12. So this is Lamborghini's pretty much new V12 hybrid flagship, pushing over 1,000 horsepower. Look at that. This green looks fantastic. The rims are fantastic as well. Love those rims. It's really very cute how they managed to shrink this down and still look so good. Look at the diffuser. Oh, the center exhaust pipes. And again, the carbon fiber detail at the back here. Looks so cool. And these, all of them roll very nicely, okay? But this one, yeah, this Revuelto, the front wheel seems to be stuck onto the body a little bit. But it's alright. Still rolls quite okay. Yeah, see, you can still freely roll it. The rest of them roll very smoothly actually. Yeah. Only, yeah, the Revuelto, the front wheels are rubbing the body a little bit. Still very, very cool. Okay, right. So that's all, the 6 cars. And what I wanted to point out, right, bonus, the tread on the tires. All of them are threaded, okay? The detail that is, that I really like Mini GT put in, all of them are different tread designs. All of them. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. So this ER34, it does look like it's the street tires. This is the Yokohama, maybe a drift tire. All 6 has different tires now. Look at that. This is different as well. The different tread design. This is another one. I thought this looks similar, but it's not. It's not. This looks similar? No, it's not. It's different too. Okay, and then the 911. This is the roughest version. I don't know, they're going off-road or this is wet weather tires. Or is this winter tires? But this is really very cool. And for the 1,000 horsepower, probably need more grip. Look at that. So this would be, yeah, not even close. Not even close. Okay, that is pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about that much effort being put into this cute, very cute cars. Are you collecting it? Let me know. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Extras available as usual in the description below through Collectors Cube. Yep, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.